Hi, my name is Mark Hawkins. This is Boomer Fresh, and Boomer Fresh is an incubator of socially responsible programs. Now, I'm speaking to you from my studio in Long Beach, California, and I suppose what I should do is explain what an incubator is. And an incubator is typically, in the sense of which I use it, is where different people come together, either on a virtual basis or face to face, and collaborate on various programs, whether it be products, services, it's bringing ideas to fruition. Whether it's my idea, whether it's your idea. I'm inviting you for some collaboration. Now, my skills, my career has largely been spent in the direct marketing sector, high tech, a lot of .com, new media stuff, direct response marketing, and a lot of all the tools that are out there right now. I've just spent the entire time of COVID reintroducing myself to that arena and educating myself. So I have a lot to share. If you'd like to learn some new tricks, if you'd like to learn how to do something new, or if you'd like to take maybe something you've already that you've already been doing in life, whether it be a hobby, whether it be a skill, whether it be a craft that you have, and you want to bring that to light, share with others, but you just don't know how to go about that. I'm the marketing guy, so this is what I do, and I invite you to come along. Don't forget to subscribe to my monthly newsletter. You have a great day. Take care now. Bye-bye.